welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we're going to learn how to attach and send pictures, video files in Gmail using either an Android phone or your iPhone. That doesn't matter whichever you're using, but make sure you have the Gmail app. So if you don't have the Gmail app, all you have to make sure that you download the Gmail app from either App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the App Store again in the Samsung, so in any Android phone. So whenever you see an icon like Gmail, if it has been downloaded, make sure to click on the application and get inside. So we have just seen this is what the new latest version in 2020 looks like, and we're heading towards the 2021. So when you are going to write an email, make sure to click on the compose button, and in here make sure to write the email of the person you are sending to. So in case I'm sending to tyschooling@gmail.com, if you want to send me an email, just appreciate my work, anything you want, please make sure to do that, because I really feel happy and get motivated to work a lot. So in here, subject, write any down, I'm your fan, all right, whatever. And in here just write down anything you want, so I'll go with the words. And now you want to send picture, video files in Gmail. So all you have to do, click on this attachment button on the top of the screen, click on attachment. So here you got the camera roll, in here you got the PDF files, and there are everything available you want to send to. So you're gonna click this one. If you want to send video and pictures, you're gonna click on the whole camera roll, this button. If you also want to send attachments, you got different attachments in here. So whatever you want to send, it's very easily accessible. And finally, if you want to schedule that one, you can also schedule it with the time. If you want to keep it in confidential mode, you can even keep it in confidential mode, whatever you want. If you're done with attaching your files, your videos, your pictures, anything, you're just gonna click on the send button, and boom, your pictures, your files are out there with the person who need them. And if you think you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button and keep visiting Ty's Schooling.